Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the fourth lesson focusing on this volcano piece in literacy. Now, what we're going to do today is we are going to do a big write piece, which is going to link all your learning from the previous lessons into one creative writing piece. So, all your work that you did earlier in the week, which focused on vocabulary, fronted adverbials, and complex sentences, I'd like to see all of that in this piece of writing today. Okay, so any writing down or any work you've done for the questions earlier on in the week, if you can have them to hand for today, they're going to become really useful because you've already got some resources that you can magpie from. I don't want you to sit there with a plain piece of paper today and have no idea what to do when we've got 3 lessons worth of work to support this learning. So what I would do now is I would pause this video and I would go and gather anything from your previous lessons that you would need to help you with your big write today. So we're going to start by recapping on our learning from this week, and we're going to recap on the fronted adverbials on the complex sentences. Now on the screen you should see there are some sentences with some missing pieces, and what you need to do is you need to fill in the gaps. So with the fronted adverbials, you're just filling in the end of the sentence. So for example, in the night, So it could be, in the night, the gigantic volcano began to erupt. You've also then got some complex sentences with subordinate clauses that you need to fill in. Now, the first 2 subordinate clauses put there for you, and the final one, you need to put the subordinate clause at the start of the sentence. So if you have a look underneath the picture of the volcano, they're the subordinate conjunctions that you can use to create that subordinate clause. Okay, so use the resources around you. If you pause the video here and have a go at those questions, please. Fantastic, so we should be ready to get started on our main piece of writing now. So your activity today is you're going to write your own detailed description or short story about a volcano erupting. Okay, so I'm looking for a descriptive piece based on this volcano. Now, your success criteria today is focusing on our learning from this week. And I've just put a little extra at the end, but this is something we should all be quite confident in. It shouldn't be anything where people are thinking, oh my goodness, Miss Crow, what is that? Okay, so if we have a look at the success criteria, we've got interest in vocabulary. We should be able to do that if we did Monday's lesson. We've got fronted adverbials, complex sentences with subordinate clauses, and similes. If you missed any of the lessons this week, now you're watching this video, and especially maybe the third one down, the complex sentences with subordinate clauses, if you're looking at that and thinking, I really don't know what that is, I did some other learning on Wednesday, so I missed that literacy lesson. What I would do is I would go back to that PowerPoint and maybe have a go at those activities first. I would really like to see those people who are having a go at this big write today being able to tick off those things on the success criteria. So please have a real good try of this today. Now I'd quite like to see around 2 detailed paragraphs at least. Okay, 2 detailed paragraphs at least about the volcano erupting. Now at the bottom of the screen I've also put a story opening to get you started. Okay, you can use that, but you don't have to. I really look forward to hearing about how you've got on with this today, and I'm really hoping that that learning that we did earlier in the week is going to be shown in this piece of writing. Have fun, enjoy your creative write, and I really look forward to reading some of them later. Thank you.